One UI 8.5 is finally rolling out globally. Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy S25 series in the United States. The global release day for One UI 8.5 is finally here. After debuting in South Korea last week, the update has now started expanding to Galaxy users across the US and other international markets. According to tipster CID on X, the stable One UI 8.5 update is now available for Galaxy S25 users in the United States. The firmware carries version numbers S938 USQU9CZDP and S938 UOYN9CZDP. The update package is around 44408 megabytes in size and also includes the April security patch. At the same time, many users on X have started confirming under Tarun Vat's posts that they are finally receiving the stable One UI 8.5 update on their Galaxy S25 devices. After months of waiting, today, May 11th, officially marks the wider global rollout of One UI 8.5. Samsung first released the update in Korea on May 6th, and now the rollout is gradually expanding worldwide. Regions expected to receive the update in the coming days include Europe, Hong Kong, India, Latin America, North America, Southeast Asia, and Taiwan. More countries and carriers will follow later as the rollout expands further. The Galaxy S25 series, Galaxy Z Fold 7, and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are currently leading the rollout phase, while many additional Galaxy devices are expected to join the stable rollout in the coming days and weeks. Once the update becomes available in your region, eligible users can manually install it by going to Settings, then Software Update, and tapping Download and Install. Users already running the One UI 8.5 beta program will receive a smaller update package since it mainly switches the software from beta to stable. Meanwhile, users upgrading directly from One UI 8 can expect a much larger update size of several gigabytes. As always, Samsung is pushing the update in phases, meaning it could still take a few days or even weeks before One UI 8.5 reaches every eligible Galaxy device across all regions and carriers worldwide. That's it for today. What's your thoughts? And let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.